Crypto. Everyone's doing it. You've heard it all before. Whether it's from your cousin, who won't shut up about the end of cash, or your best friend from high school, who made a killing off Dogecoin. But what about a coin that's doing things a little different? Investing in crypto can be an emotional roller coaster. But what if it wasn't? That's what the geniuses at Apollo FinTech thought. So they said, why don't we just create a coin that's stable and facilitates growth and value? And then they were like, yeah, why don't we just do that? And they did. They created GSX. So what makes GSX so special? Glad you asked. 1.
Your coin is backed by real assets and gold, baby. This, all around me, is what's backing this.
2. Mining assets plus 50% of what's mined all get stuffed back into a trust.
When you buy GSX, you buy into this trust.
Where your coin value continues to grow.
Trust me. Get it?
No? Okay. 3.
So let's get this straight. Your GSX is linked to a trust. That trust is being fed by assets that continue to grow.
The value of the trust grows, so does the value of your GSX. Revolutionary. No one else is doing crypto like this. We're not saying digital currency is the future. We're saying it's here. And when it comes to investing in an extremely volatile market, why not choose a coin that offers you stability and growth?
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer and welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed was a commercial for GSX, gold secured currency, hands down by far, and I mean by far, the most revolutionary cryptocurrency out there. Nobody is doing it like them, and nobody has done even half of what they've already done since the coin's only been out for 4 months. 4 months. I've been investing into Bitcoin for over 6 years now. I started very early on when Bitcoin was only around $1,000. You know, now it hit up to 60,000, right? When I invest into crypto, I'm looking for a coin that makes sense. You're investing into that project. See, when you're looking at like Dogecoin, that coin literally doesn't do anything. It's just a coin made up on the blockchain with no purpose, no use. This coin has purpose and use. It's backed by physical gold, and they dig the gold out of the ground themselves. You can see their geological reports they post, all of their mining sites, their mineral deposits, all the locations. In this year, they're starting the Zimbabwe project in 2022. No other company is doing things as big as them. Now, not only is this coin backed by gold, but you'll be able to see that it's also backed by gold and land mineral rights and assets. It's trust ownership, so GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of the mineral rights and assets. It pays yearly dividends, redeemable for upcoming gold, and it's a growth coin, which is not a crypto. They're separate. Also, continual increase in asset value of land and gold backing GSX. Now, I really hope you stay all the way through because I can't even try to explain how much this company is doing within just a couple of minutes. I mean, when I say revolutionary, that's being minimal. That is being minimal. Now, let me tell you something. This company, they've been out for 4 months. Like I said, that's when the coin hit the market. Now, what they've already done in 4 months is what most cryptos haven't done in 4 years. I'm going to prove that. So, what they have already done is they said they were going to own their own crypto exchange called Knox. Well, they did that. Knox, Knox, is an actual crypto exchange. Then they said they were going to release Stratus. Stratus is a crypto exchange slash Facebook slash Amazon marketplace where you can buy cars and makeup and jewelry, but also post Facebook pictures, but also exchange your crypto on there. They did that as well. It's already live. They said they were going to post a mobile game that lets you mine real gold you can turn in. Well, they did that. Gold Inc. is on Android and iOS. They did that as well. They said they're going to start a new mining project in 2022. Well, they've started that as well. Plus more. I mean, this company, usually a crypto, a company making these types of claims or statements, it would take a long time. But they're dedicated. They even have a thing called Apollo University, where if you don't understand what they're doing, they have like a college course. Who does that? Apollo FinTech does. And let me go backwards real quick. It's not just GSX. They have a Knox National Payment Platform, a commodity exchange, a Knox Government Network. They have their crypto exchange. They have GSX. They have Apollo Currency. I mean, what they're doing is crazy. They're listed on Coinbase as well. Here's GSX, gold secured currency. They're not supported, so you can't buy the coins on Coinbase, but Coinbase did recognize them, and the price is listed on there. They had a volume of $7.3 million in the last 24 hours. 24 hours, we're talking about millions of dollars. It's getting traded. It's on Bitmort, Yahoo Finance, Forbes, so many other places have put out articles about it. I mean, and by the way, if you want to invest, the coins are 4 cents, like it shows on Coinbase. Go to the links in the description or the pinned comment. This coin is only 4 cents. It's been out for only 4 months. Imagine in, let's say, a year from now, let's look at the white paper. This coin, let's say a year from now, which they're predicting at 1 year, the coin will be around, year 2 is around 66 cents. So year 1, let's say like 40 cents, right? It's 4 cents and they're talking about within a year. And that's because after 5 months after the sale, their minimum asset goal is $7 billion. And that's 23 cents per coin. Let's see, 7 months after sale. Well, let's go to 6 months actually. This is when the visitor center and live feed opens at the mine. That's when you'll be able to see the 24/7 live feed camera where you could watch from your own home, and the visitor center where you can go hang out. And actually in this commercial up here, it shows a little bit about here it is right here. Check this out.
Will be able to visit and stay at the main mine and the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their own home. Gold secured currency.
I mean, who's doing that? Literally, I've never seen that. I've never seen that. Their white paper is amazing as well. Every time you look at a cryptocurrency, you want to look at the white paper. This shows the ins, the outs, the little details, the things that all put the pieces of the puzzle together. You will be able to tell if a crypto is a scam. You'll be able to tell if they are really about the business through the white paper. That is where you want to look into this. Also, CoinMarketCap has posted them on there as well. If Coinbase and CoinMarketCap is posting a coin, you know it's legitimate. I mean, it already is, obviously. It's getting sold and traded everywhere. I mean, at $7.3 million volume in the last 24 hours. You know, this is a real project that's already on the market. It's already on the market. The total cap is 30 billion coins. 20 billion will be locked by the company, 10 million distributed. They also pay yearly dividends. So and this is the minimum gold redemption value is $200,000. So this is stuff that you're looking at from the white paper. I highly recommend. But I'm just here to really showcase how big of a project this is, and also how how profitable this can be. Now, I've kind of explained a little bit of this. I'm going to show you some more videos of some of the mining sites they have, and because they're not just digging up gold either, right? I mean, they're also mining other metals. You can see right here, year 2, they're going into to nickel. So let me show you some other videos as well. I mean, I'm so excited about this project just because it's so different, and that's what we need. So let's check this out. Now you can see those were 2 of their mining sites. They have 4, and they're starting the 5th mining site this year, 2022. This company is so transparent. Steve McCullough, which is the CEO, he posts daily updates on Twitter, by the way. Every single day, he's updating people about GSX. Here's the Apollo currency, the course you can take if you want to learn about Nox, how to purchase GSX, everything that has to do wallet security. I mean, nobody's doing this, right? Like, they literally have like a college course. Look at all these. Sending using chats, how to create your own currency using Apollo voting system, wallet. Like, nobody does this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not kidding. No cryptocurrency does this type of stuff. Not this transparent, not this much effort and just work put into this coin. There's so much. Look at all this. They have a literal college class on this entire company. Nobody does this. And I really hope you guys understand and see the overall picture, the bigger picture. Because since this coin's only been out for 4, maybe 5 months, imagine in a couple of years, especially as the more gold, the more mining they do, that also goes into back the coin. So I hope that you really got the same sense of idea that I was trying to portray, because as someone myself that invests into physical assets, this coin still goes. This still goes with my motto of, if you can't hold it, you don't own it, because it is backed by physical gold, not no digital BS. You know, Bitcoin isn't even backed by anything of physical, tangible value. So yeah, like I said, the link is in the description or the pinned comment if you want to invest. I hope I was able to do this company and this coin the respect that they, I guess the spotlight that they deserve, because they definitely have put in the work, and I'm really excited to see where this project goes. I mean, it really is intriguing to me of what they were able to put together in such a short amount of time. You can tell that there's been a lot of work to go in. Even the commercial, right? That commercial I showed in the beginning, like, who's doing that? It was a really good commercial that explained a lot, but also had that comedic factor. I mean, it's just their next level. Everything they do is above and beyond any other crypto out there. So yeah, like I said, links in the description. Also the pinned comment. The coins are 4 cents. Highly, I recommend personally you invest. You don't have to. You can just keep buying silver if you want. But this is a project that is growing on me more and more by the day. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.